Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a RC remote control racing series car by DoDoeleph, I guess. I don't know. But here's kind of the barcode with some information for it. But let's check this thing out and we'll see how it is. So let's open this up if we can. Here you can see the different types. I guess we got the gray one. I think that's what I got, gray. Hopefully I got gray, that's what I picked. That's what I bought. Okay, so let's open it up here. I'll show you guys everything that's inside. So this is it here, nothing else in the box. So we have our remote control car. We have I don't know, just information, cautions of battery, and a thank you note. The P sign. And then we have the instructions here. And then here we have the car. So let's open up the car here. See what this one looks like. Let's see if we can kind of open it without ruining the box too much. And so here's the remote control. So it's very light at the moment and it has a screw. So I'm gonna have to open this up probably to put some batteries in it. I don't have a screwdriver on me at the moment, but we will figure this out here shortly. And then we open this up, and here's our car. And please reuse this as a storage bag. I don't know. Okay, so everything else is out. So right now we are with our RC car. So now everything we have is like right here. So let's see if we can take this one off. Okay, so now we have our car, a little tag on it, very cute car, oh man. And it's got the little on-off switch down there. Let's see what's in here. Gotta guess, this is probably our screwdriver to open up the battery compartment and stuff. Yes, it is, and it has a battery. Okay, so we get a little USB charger for our battery. And we have a little screwdriver. So let's open this up and see what it looks like here. We're gonna open up the car one. So you can see that there is a little battery slot down there. There we go. Oh, there it is. Oh, looks like there's already a battery inside, just not plugged in. So it looks like we got two batteries. So let's plug this one in. We'll see how this goes. There we are, plugged in. And close this back up here for a minute. Are we on? We're off. Oh, okay. So it's gonna work, but it's probably not gonna work optimally because it's not charged. It's probably gonna say, it probably says everywhere, charge, charge, charge. So I'm gonna close it up and I'm not gonna put the little screw back in it for the moment. But we're gonna open this one up and see what we need for this one here. Maybe this one takes the other battery. It is open and we need 2 AAAs. I'll be right back. And I'm back with 2 AAAs. So here's one, here's the other. And there's the case for it. There we go. Okay, and then to charge the batteries, I guess, I'll just show you guys how it works here. You'll just plug these into this and then plug that into a USB charger. So very simple. So let's give this thing a try. Let's see what this sticker here says. That was just the name for it, so I'm gonna take that off. Sorry for my crude doing it for the mouth, but this is what the car looks like here. So it's strong power, and we're gonna turn it on, and we're gonna turn this on. So now we should be connected. We got some lights and stuff going on it. Let me just see if we do the throttle and stuff, if it's gonna work. And it does. So we got that, and then we have the turning. So let me pull this little tag off here. So basically it's gonna be go forward, go backward, left and right as you're going. And, oh! And then just kind of go crazy, I guess. Ha ha ha, look at that, that's just going crazy. Until you push another button. Okay, so let's put it down on the ground and let's give it a try. I'll point you guys that direction. So let's move, Okay, so now I have it on the ground and I will do the go forward. Oh, that's fast. Oh man, this is gonna be tough to do with one hand. So let's see if I can balance the camera and give it a go. Okay, so here we go. So now I've got this and this. Okay, so now I will go this way, turn it that way, that way. Very cool. Look at that. How cute is that? It's got some power too. Looks like it's just going, it goes over these things. Let me see if I can get it to go over the, look at that. It just goes right over all that stuff. Oop, lost the battery because I didn't screw it in.